Hello, Taurus. Welcome to your reading. I hope okay kayo dyan. Ito po si Polestar. And let's see kung ano po yung mga dapat nating malaman for the month of June. Okay? Ito na, I have shuffled the cards already and sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo yung message. Alright, the first card is the Four of Pentacles, the Sun card, the Emperor, Ace of Swords, Queen of Wands, and then the Lover's card, right? Um, yung Four of Pentacles, I can see here that bakit ba? In love na in love si Taurus. The Four of Pentacles is, you have so much to give, especially about yourself. So this could be either sa love life mo, or sa career mo, or kung anong purpose or goals mo for the month of June. Okay. The Four of Pentacles is quite hesitant, pero alam na alam mo na may talent ka. Alam na alam mo na you have something to give. Okay. Hindi lang siguro confident, alright? But this Four of Pentacles is urging you na dapat kampante ka sa sarili mo kasi meron ka namang talents, meron ka namang maibibigay. Alright? Ito, the Four of Pentacles is sapat sa pera, pero hindi mo na ipapakita or hindi mo feel sa sarili mo na may pera ka. Alright? Or kung wala ka namang pera at this stage, um, just show whatever confidence and whatever you've got. Because you have the skills naman with the Four of Pentacles. Okay? You have the Sun card right here. Ang Sun card is I think this is a new job for you. Okay, if you're looking for a job. This person is shining, right? Okay, so very opposite dito. Because the Four of Pentacles does speak about yung internally meron ka naman eh. Sometimes lang sa Four of Pentacles hindi mo pinapakita. Okay, so could either be hindi mo pinapakita na you have a good background, hindi mo pinapakita sa iba, especially to your loved ones, may tinatago ka. All right. But the Sun card is it's time to shine. All right. This could be that you're pursuing something, nagtatrabaho ka because of your kids, because sa mga magulang mo, and you wanted to be somebody like an emperor. But I just want you to know that in terms of love life, in terms of relationships, you have the support of your person because you have the emperor right here. Okay. The emperor is someone who is professional, someone who has built himself from the ground up. Okay, ito yung taong have succeeded in life, may nakamit na siya, may narating na siya. Okay, and this will be your guide. Okay, it could be na kung naghahanap kayong trabaho, yung company mong mag-guide sa'yo. Alright, so that's why you need to have your confidence, your self-esteem check. Kasi hindi ka naman, um, hindi ka naman, they will not ignore you, they will help you. Okay, you have the Ace of Swords right here. Ace of Swords, kulang talaga yung confidence mo. But the Ace of Swords is a starting point. So I hope you would also have to deal with it and do your part. You have the Queen of Wands. Ang problem lang dito is magkasalungat po yung intentions mo or goals mo. Goals mo is you want to have, gusto mong may mangyayari kaagad. Pero sabi ng universe, especially in reality, about sa company mo, sa parents mo, or sa love life mo, hinay-hinay lang. Alamin mo kung ano yung strengths mo. Yun yung i-develop. Okay, dun ka papasok. Alright, even the Queen of Wands. The Lover's card right here, alam na alam kong in love talaga si Taurus this June. Okay, Seven of Cups. Siguro, you're loving the opposite of you. You're loving the opposite of you, so hindi kayo magkaparehas ng attitude. Okay, but that means to say mag-a-adjust ka. Okay, and sila naman din mag-a-adjust sa'yo. You have the Seven of Cups. Alam ko, dami mong pangarap. And the King of Cups. Sometimes sa relationships, marriage, um, you compare yourself with this person. So, wag mong i-compare yung self mo kasi ang haba na, ang layo ng narating nila. Your person is successful already. Do not compare yourself because you're still starting or you're halfway through sa kung ano mang narating nila. You have the Magician right here, the Knight of Pentacles, but I know you can find your way. You're already matured. You're already mature. Tapos alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo. You have the Knight of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, gusto mo na pala ng marriage. For those of you who are single, you want to get married. But it's not happening yet because of the Knight of Pentacles. But then, feeling mo may third party. May third party nga ba? Ito, the Three of Cups. The Three of Cups would tell you mga third parties, but for me, it's not. All right, it's not a third party. Kung ano mang mga iniisip mong third party, hindi yan totoo. All right, nakataob po siya. The Knight of Swords, and parang wala naman akong nakikitang third party. Okay, maybe in the past. Maybe in the past there was a third party, but right now wala naman. Knight of Swords is here. Medyo galit ka sa ano mo. Medyo galit ka sa person mo. Medyo galit ka sa husband mo. Or medyo galit ka sa, alam ko, love life to eh. Most of the second row, patong third row is about your love life. Tumaob po yung Ace of Pentacles. This June, Taurus, kailangan mo kasing to stand up for yourself. Magtrabaho ka. You need to show your talents if you want to. Kung gusto mo sa social media, umangat, iangat mo yung sarili mo. Kasi may makukuha ka talaga. Makakuha kang followers, may makukuha kang trabaho, or money. Ang dami mong pentacles, maybe you're worried about money. Kung money yung worries mo, meron namang pagkakakitaan. Siguro it's hard to start over, pero meron naman along the way. Build yourself. Sabi dito, sa company or sa universe, hinay-hinay lang. You have the Wheel of Fortune, the Justice card, and the Fool card. For those of you who are in a long distance relationship, it will be revived. You have the Wheel of Fortune right here. Pakita ko lang. Wheel of Fortune and the Justice card and the Fool card. Hindi naman to siya scary. It's not scary. This is beginning. So, beginning of a long distance relationship, you have that. And then you have the Eight of Cups. Okay. I think this is a rekindling of what you have before. You have the King of Swords, but I know you won't believe in this person right then and there. Siguro magkakabalikan kayo or you would speak to each other, pero hindi mo siya as in um, hindi mo hindi ka maniniwala sa kanya. Bakit nga ba? Hindi naman as in you would ignore this person, pero hindi ka maniniwalang kinausap ka niya. Okay. You have the Two of Pentacles, the Temperance. Alam mo may pagsusumbat dito eh. Susumbatan mo 'to siya. But then caring-caring naman niya. Caring-caring ka naman niya kasi kilala ka naman niya. Alright? So, okay lang. So, let's have some more cards right here. Pasensya na, ito lang talaga yung working space ko. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakabalik. Sorry talaga nagtatagalog. Usually, English ako talaga 'pag poster readings dito sa YouTube. But, wala, gusto ko lang mag-Tagalog talaga. Okay. Minsan nauutal na talaga ako sa English. Parang hindi, feel ko na lang talaga mag-Tagalog. Ano pa, let's get some advices or messages for Taurus. For sure, you take good care of your children. I have right here, children, sana healthy sila. Take good care of them, you watch them. Okay? You have the 5 of Cups. Ba't tumaob to? Reverse. You have the 5, yeah, 5 Pentacles and 9 of Swords. Um, there are times na iiyak ka sa sarili mo. Iiyak ka, during nighttime or feel mo talagang napaka-sentimental mo. It's really because it's because of what's happening to you. Okay? But then tumaob na 'to siya, reverse. Alright? The 5 of Pentacles and the 9 of Swords. You're hoping na may mga changes sa buhay mo, positive ones, and you're hoping na, sana may darating na blessings. Just keep on striving, keep on hoping, and let's see, sa next reading if things will be better for you. So, I feel you and sana okay kayo. Alright? Salamat, Taurus. Ito lang for you and I hope nakatulong ako. If you have any questions, just comment. And for readings, 250 lang po. Sir, yung reading ko for Globe and Smart users, 250 lang. Just you can do that in GCash. All right? Thank you and God bless po. Bye-bye.